The tobacco epidemic is one of the most biggest public health threats the world has ever faced, killing more than 8 million people a year around the world. More than 7 million of those deaths are result of direct tobacco use, while 1.2 million are result of non-smokers being exposed to the second-hand smoke. Today is a very important video how tobacco kills any person, because it is very difficult for the common man to believe that the small thing like tobacco smoke can kill. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Epic. The tobacco plant has grown and cultivated since 6000 BC, and its addictive effects are well documented. Approximately 1 billion men and 250 million women all over the world smoke. Tobacco has killed 100 million people in the 20th century. If the current trend continues in its own way, it will kill 1 billion people in the 21st century. Every day, 80,000 to 1 lakh people around the globe become addicted to tobacco. Smoking takes away 15 years of a person's life. In addition, second-hand smoking kills more than 6 lakh people around the world each year. Furthermore, healthcare costs related to tobacco are estimated to 500 billion per year. In US, approximately 4 lakh people die of smoking-related illness. In other words, tobacco kills more people than alcohol, AIDS, car accidents, illegal drugs, murders, and suicide combined. Tobacco addiction begins at an early age. 18.1% of high school children in US are smokers, and 4,000 young people try their cigarette each day. Approximately 8 lakh packs are consumed by the young people in US per year. More than 6 million US youths under the age of 18 will die due to smoking-related illness. Tobacco use causes damage to several organs. Tobacco contains more than 4,000 harmful substances, many of which can cause cancer. Some of the harmful substances found in tobacco are ammonia used in toilet cleaners, ethanol found in alcohol, DDT found in insecticides, nicotine, the most addictive substance known to humankind, arsenic found in ant poison, arsenic acid found in vinegar, carbon monoxide found in car exhaust fumes, hydrogen cyanide, a poison, cadmium used in car battery fluid, and many more. Tobacco affects all parts of our body, including the skin, nails, teeth, gums, hair, eyes, as well as several organs. There are more than 4,000 harmful substances in tobacco, out of which 70 different cancer-causing substances are also present in tobacco. Smoking increases the cancer of mouth, pharynx, upper throat, nose, food pipe, liver, pancreas, stomach, kidney, etc. etc. Smoking is the leading cause of death from residential fires. Every year, 1,000 smokers and non-smokers are killed in residential fires caused by the smoking. Smoking, or once started, is very difficult to quit. Tobacco kills up to half of its users. Tobacco kills nearly 6 million people worldwide every year. Tobacco users who die prematurely despite their family income raise the cost of healthcare and hinder the economic development. Tobacco causes 100 million deaths in the 20th century. If the current trend continues, it may cause 1 billion deaths in the 21st century. If something is not done now, say no to smoking the first time and every time. Thank you.